I really appreciate you guys and I love you all.
Alright, I guess you're ready for your final question. So here is the final question of the night. How would you use the title of Mutya ng Kalipayan to encourage responsible travel? Again, how would you use the title of Mutya ng Kalipayan to encourage responsible travel? In Tagalog, paano mo gagamitin ang titulo bilang Mutya ng Kalipayan upang hikayatin ang mga taong maging responsableng manlalakbay?
Thank you for that question. I will use my title as Mutya ng Kalipayan 2025 to promote the responsible travel. Responsible travel is something that respect about the laws, culture, tradition of one community. And I believe that with this title, I can empower all people of San Agustin to promote our tourism and to promote our tourist spots with respect. That's all. Thank you.